Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a true middleweight legend in the naked sport category, the new 2026 Suzuki SV650. For years, the SV650 has been praised for its perfect balance of performance, comfort, and everyday usability. The 2026 model continues this tradition while receiving thoughtful updates that make it even more refined and exciting for riders of all levels. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why the latest SV650 remains a timeless favorite among enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Suzuki SV650 carries forward its signature minimalist design but with sharper styling cues and a more premium presence. The iconic trellis frame is now finished in a new metallic tone, perfectly complementing the bike's sporty silhouette. A redesigned LED headlamp and sleeker fuel tank give it a fresh, modern edge, while new color schemes add more personality to the overall package. The ergonomics remain rider-friendly, offering a relaxed yet commanding riding position ideal for both daily commutes and weekend rides. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 SV650 lies Suzuki's renowned 645 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, tuned for smooth, responsive power delivery. The engine produces a satisfying blend of low-end torque and top-end performance, making it equally at home in city traffic and on open highways. Suzuki's low RPM assist and precise throttle response enhance control, while the lightweight chassis ensures nimble handling. The 6-speed gearbox remains slick and engaging, and minor ECU refinements have improved both fuel efficiency and throttle smoothness. Safety and technology. The new SV650 comes equipped with essential modern rider aids while maintaining its raw, connected riding feel. It features dual front disc brakes with ABS for confident stopping power, and a new traction control system provides extra stability without diluting the fun. The instrument cluster has been upgraded with a clearer digital display, offering easy access to all key information. LED lighting, lightweight alloy wheels, and improved suspension damping make the ride safer and more comfortable across varied road conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki SV650 stays true to its roots as a versatile, dependable, and pure rider's machine. With its refreshed design, enhanced electronics, and proven V-twin character, it continues to deliver an unbeatable mix of performance and practicality. Whether you're a new rider stepping into the mid-range segment or a seasoned enthusiast looking for everyday thrills, the new SV650 is ready to impress. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates, reviews, and first looks at the bikes that define every era of motorcycling.